some content just came to me, and this is actually relevant because, you know, I've managed so many apartment buildings like this, and some not like this at all, some that are frightening. I've been screamed at, I've been scared, I've had my tenants scared. I've been in some places, but this one is really nice. But the topic of this has to do with like deteriorating common areas, especially a project area, like for example, a specific thing, a playground, in this case a tennis court, basketball court, dog park, something like that. This is the danger, delaying in deliberating about what it should be. Like, should we update it? Should we have it not a tennis court anymore? The delay, and you say that to your manager to go get quotes on like all these things they know nothing about, and that usually takes months, or even I've seen it take years. And the whole time, what your manager originally asked about, can we get the tennis court finished because it's deteriorating? All of a sudden you're like, well, let's see, let's look into a few new possible projects. Meanwhile, a significant common area is plainly neglected, and neglect, even just visually, is not good for your look. You know, it is good for your look, a Hawaiian shirt, when you don't live in Hawaii and you fall off your brand new skateboard that you don't know how to ride.